They are speculating so many years about this universe. How many stars are there, what is the length and breadth, where is the... Nobody knows anything, even of the material world. And what to speak of the spiritual world, that is beyond, far beyond. Parastasmatu bhavanya bhaktya bhaktya sanatana, you'll find it, Bhagavad Gita. There is another nature. This nature, what you see, the sky, around dome, that above that, there are layers of 5 elements. Again, this is the covering. Just like you have seen the coconut, there is hard covering. And within the covering, there is water. Similarly, within this covering, and outside the covering, there are 5 layers, 1,000 times bigger than the one another. Water layer, air layer, fire layer. So you have to penetrate all these layers, then you will get the spiritual world. All these universes, unlimited number, koti. Jasaprabha prabhavato jagadanna koti. Jagadanna means the universe. Koti. Many millions clustered together. That is material world. And Beyond that material world, there is spiritual world, another sky. That is also sky. That is called Parabham. So, by your sense perception, you cannot estimate even what is there in the moon planet or sun planet, this planet, within this universe. How you can understand the spiritual world by speculation. This is foolishness. That Shastra says, Achinta khalu jivava natastarki no jujay. Achinta, which is inconceivable, beyond your sense perception. Don't try to argue and understand it and speculate. This is foolishness. It is not possible. Therefore, we have to go to the Guru. Tad vijnanatham sa gurumeva avigacche samitpani suotriyam brahmanishtam. This is the process. Chant Hare Krishna and you will be purified. Then you will understand everything, what is God, what you are, what is your relation. This is Krishna consciousness movement. Thank you very much.